Hey Cancer, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is a general reading. This may or may not resonate. If it doesn't, check out other placements. If you need a personal reading, you can DM me on Instagram at Tarot with Nemo, or you can email me on tarotwithnemo@gmail.com. I don't know what I said. Okay. So we're going to have a look at your person, how this person views this connection, how they feel about you, and how your person, what are their intentions towards you from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021. Okay. Uh, it is a general reading, guys. All right. So feel free to switch the energies, vice versa. You can flip the energies. Okay. So this is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's see, how does this person view you or the connection with you from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021? How does this person view you or the connection with you from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021? So there's definitely been a breakup right now, I feel, for a lot of you. I feel you guys are broken up. There's been a separation here. So there has been some kind of cutthroat communication here. Maybe there's been clarity here. Maybe someone has just spoken harsh words which could have hurt the other person out here. But they view this connection as someone got cut out. You cut them, they cut you, both of y'all cut each other, whatever that is, right? But there has been like a eliminating of something because there was some because of some words that was said here. Okay, could be even intentions here, or it could just have been something that someone just, there was an argument here and now there is silent treatment between you both of y'all are not talking to each other here, although this person here, they could view this connection as something long term. They want long term with you. Maybe they view you as marriage material. They would want something more committed. Okay, they want marriage with you. They do see this connection as something that has a potential to grow, okay, and expand. Okay, that has it's a very abundant connection here. Okay, or they could just be viewing you as someone who's very nurturing, very caring, very loving out here. Okay, but yes, they do view this connection as something that they want long term with, but overall they do see that there has been a breakup here and separation here. So like I said, words could have been said, there could have been some kind of negative thoughts or intentions that broke your heart. It broke their heart, and there is just breakup out here. It's just a plain breakup. Let's see, what's the Empress. What's the Empress? And they want to they want to nurture this connection now. Okay, with so actually, you know what, I feel that this person here probably didn't want something long term with, no, I wouldn't say that. I'd say this person here was too slow moving towards you. I feel they were ready to commit to you, but they weren't making any move forward. I think they were too slow, too slow, too slow. And you probably thought that, you know what, you're going around in circles with them. Okay, so it's like just round sorry, just going round and round and round. And like this, you just felt like every time the situation, instead of moving things forward, it would just be there. Okay, and something needs a lot of patience. Okay, something probably needed a lot of patience, something was going to take a lot of time to grow here. They did want this with you, but they were just too slow moving towards you, which is why now there's no communication between you both. You're probably giving the silent treatment to each other here, but like I said, someone cut you off, you cut them off here. Okay, but there's no communication here. What are this person's feelings towards Cancer from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021? What are this person's feelings towards Cancer from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021? So this person does know that there's a chapter that closed between you both. Okay, something kind of ended here, like I said. Okay, they know probably you guys have come full circle here. All right. Now this person here probably feels there is unfinished business between you both. Although deep down they feel that you are probably being very practical, very realistic. You're not thinking from your emotions. They do feel like if you're married to them, okay, they want the stability in this marriage here. If you are not married to them, then this person does want marriage with you. They do want commitment with you. They want something long term with you, something stable, secure here, like I said before, okay? But they're in two minds. This person could be juggling you with another person out here. Okay, they're in two minds about what they want to do, which one do they want to pursue, because right now it's a lot of juggling going on, a lot of weighing out their pros and cons, like one moment you want you, the next moment they don't, or one moment they want you, the next moment they want the other person out here. Okay, I don't know if it's two people or it's just a situation they're juggling. What's the Two of Pentacles? They're just trying to see what's best for them. I'm going to be very clear. What's the Two of Pentacles here? They're just trying to see what's best for them. What's the Two of Pentacles here? So they want to keep it balanced. I feel they're not making a decision yet. They're taking both the decisions together, moving forward from the 1st to 10th of December. There's still no decision being made. Yeah. So this person's trying to make a choice about what they want to do. Okay. Do they want to cut cords with you permanently and close the chapter for good, or do they want marriage with you here? For a lot of you, this person could already be married and they're juggling between you and another person here who they're already married to. Take it how it resonates here. But I feel here that this person here is going back and forth about what they want to do about this connection. Do they want to marry you? Okay, make a stern, firm, fair decision, balanced decision, logical decision, and move forward towards you and get into another chapter with you? Or should they just completely cut you off and cut cords with you? Okay, but deep down, they do want commitment with you. But they feel that it's over. Right now, there could have been a chapter that's over between you both. What's the world here? There could be distance here between you both. This could be like a long distance relationship here. Distance could be a problem here. What's the world here? Yeah, see, again, Ace of Swords. I told you. Some communication was done, some argument, some conflict, some fight happened, some harsh words were said, because of which one person cut the other person off and there was an end of a chapter here, okay? So yeah, they do feel that something's ended between you both. They know that something's come to a completion between you both, and now they're in two minds about what they want to do. Okay. What are this person's intentions towards Cancer from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021? What are this person's intentions towards Cancer from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021? This person could just be going in circles, I feel that this person here just never makes a move forward, You feel that you're with this person this year and next year also you're still there, okay? So it's like, and you could have got pretty frustrated, and which could have created an argument here. What are this person's intentions towards Cancer from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021? Wow. So I feel that this person here, in their intentions here, I feel this person all of a sudden, okay, I'm sorry, that was too loud. Sorry. I didn't mean to scare you guys. I feel this person here did either could have had a lot of options. They could have kept themselves open to options. Or this person could just be very confused around the situation. Okay, very confused. Because they just don't know what they want. So you're dealing with somebody who probably wants it all, or they want the best, is what I'm getting here. Okay, so you're definitely dealing with somebody who lacks clarity, who is not clear about what they want. Now, like I said, two ways: either not clear about who they want, or clear about what they want with you. I feel it's about what they want with you. I don't think this person here has another person in mind. Okay, I don't think so. But in their intentions here, they want to start brand new. They want a new opportunity here, which is practical, solid, stable, committed with you. It is in their intentions here to probably even marry you here, because Ace of Pentacles, Four of Wands, amazing energy. It's amazing here, okay? And whatever happens, I feel in their intentions here, I feel this person all of a sudden, out of nowhere, abruptly has had a huge realization of some sort, okay? That what the fuck did I just do? Did I just lose my Cancer? Did I just lose Cancer? Is Cancer never going to come again? So this person here was living in an illusion all this while, probably that they felt that they had all the time to be with you, okay, and they didn't need to make a choice. Or this person here thought that you are going to stick around. They probably didn't expect you to walk away if you're walking away. Or overall, they just have an epiphany like, I just fucked up. They know they messed up. Now, they want to come back towards you with a brand new beginning here, with something definitely committed, and they even won't have intentions of marrying you. Okay, if you're already in a marriage, this person wants to keep the marriage stable. Okay, want to bring stability, security in the marriage. They want a reunion. They want happy times with you. If you're not married, this person here wants to start with you and they want to get married to you. Okay, they're thinking long term with you. They're thinking marriage whatever, having kids, etc. here, okay? But Seven of Cups here, I want to clarify that. Why is the Seven of Cups here? Then why are they confused? What's the Seven of Cups here? Yeah, they're confused. They want to move things quickly. So I feel for a lot of you, there is no zero to no communication between you both. Okay, same thing, right? So either there's very minimal communication or there's just no communication at all. This person is very confused because they are desperate to communicate with you. Okay, they're desperate. I feel for a lot of you, this person's feeling very guilty about whatever happened between you both here, because the Ace of Swords can be a very nasty energy. Okay, when there's like a truth that's coming out, which could be really harsh, it could really be painful, you know. So yeah, someone could have just cut the other person off through their words, okay? Or but this person here is desperate to talk to you here, okay? They're just dying to talk to you, but they know they are the ones who need to make a decision out here, okay? They know they are the ones who need to make a choice here, okay? About you know, like they can literally, I feel like this person, it's in their hands to make or break the situation with you, and they know that whatever situation is in their hands, right, they hold themselves responsible for this, okay? They need to bear the consequences. So for them, it's like both the decisions are pretty strenuous. Either they choose to be with you, which is again a difficult situation because they need to go ahead and commit to you, or then they choose to let you walk away, or they walk away from you, which is again a difficult situation. So right now they're at a crossroads here, okay? They need to make a choice, but they're choosing not to. They're avoiding making a decision of moving forward with you, okay? Although they want it with you, it is in their intentions here. Maybe give them a little more time here. Eventually they will want this new beginning with you, okay? So just give them a little more time here, and I guess they will come towards you because they're pretty desperate, okay? They are wanting to move things forward unexpectedly out of nowhere. They just want a lot of communication back and forth. Some of you, they even want to travel towards you, okay? So that's what I have for you. Hope this reading resonates, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.